Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to make hard reset for your headphones Sony. You have to start by press both of buttons until this LED light starts flashing orange. Here we go, now release your finger and then press and hold again until you can see that LED light starts to be blue. Now put your headphones to the charging case, close the charging case, and now click the information icon or settings icon on your at your device list. Then forget this device, forget device. Also, if you have Android, click pair new device. Then open the charging case and remove your headphones from the charging case. Now click on it at the device list, and we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!